One is reduce my drawer with stuff and go for some of these healthy alternatives. Now they are not really healthy, just to be clear, but they are better than all the other alternatives on the market. Basically, they have a bit of sugar or molasses in them, which is still fine because you just need that if you're having a full-on day. So I did that. I had a printer on my desk, which I'm sure you're all familiar with, and then I set my printer code to the one that was in the other room, far away on the same floor. So I had to physically get up every 15 minutes, walk and get my printing. So I understand, I empathize. I just want to say that I know the working environment can be difficult. It's got a lot better since my heydays. Basically, when it was like, oh, come on, let's get on with it. You know, so now there is more awareness, more sort of options as well. So Energized Lunches also is we are the only organization that has been accredited with this. And we got accreditation from Abbey University in Scotland, their health and nutrition department. And they looked at it for 6 months, and they go, yeah, this is all scientifically backed, blah, 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 the whole thing, sort of thing. So that's where I'm coming from. Any questions?